Today I'm gonna talk with you guys about the statute of limitation for the fraud case here in Thailand. As you guys know that right now a lot of fraud case is people have been scammed by the call center gang. People have been scammed to purchase the product that they never gonna receive it. I have seen a lot of Thai nationality have been deceived, have been scammed by the foreign scam gang, as well, all across Thai news. Apart from that, a lot of my clients from the foreign countries have also been scammed by the scammer here in Thailand as well. The reason that I want to talk about the statute of limitation because people can recognize that they have the limit time to file a complaint or to retain a lawyer to sue the scammer. All right. And today I'm gonna explain how the statute of limitation for the fraud case in Thailand. The statute of limitation for fraud case is only 3 months. All right, 3 months since you know that you have been scammed and also you know that who is the scammer. You must know 2 things. All right, under Thai law, and then the statute of limitation will start. For example, you purchase a product from Mr. CC, right? After Mr. CC receive your money, they never ship the product or never send the product to your house. Of course, that is a fraud, right? And then you know that Mr. CC is living in this place. You know his name, you know his surname. That means you know 2 things. You know who is the person who scammed you, and you know that the crime has already been committed by Mr. CC. You know 2 things. So that means that you have 3 months to file a criminal complaint at the police station. Or if you don't want the police to investigate, you also can, hiring a lawyer to file criminal complaint directly to the court as well. However, after you know that the CC already received you, and then the crime already taking place, but you just ignore the case for after 3 months, and then you suing him to the court, right? And then he became a defendant, and then his lawyer can say that, the statute of limitation is over than 3 months, so your case is dismissed. So that means that you have to just to remind you 2 things when you become a victim of the scammer in Thailand. You need to know that who is the scammer. You have to be able to identify first who is the scammer. If you know it, who is the scammer, and then the second thing is that the crime has already been committed by that person or by that company. If you know 2 things, then the statute of limitation is counting, for 3 months. However, if you only know that the crime you have been deceived by somebody, but you don't know who is the scammer, right? So the statute of limitation is still not counting until you find out or the police can identify that who is the scammer. But my recommendation is that if you become a victim of the scammer or a fraud case in Thailand, even you still cannot identify who is the scammer, you should go to the police station and filing a complaint. Filing a criminal complaint. When you go to the police station, you have to inform the police that I need to file a criminal complaint for the fraud case. You just don't say that I need to record this as evidence. It's totally different, right? Or if you're not sure, you bring a lawyer with you, and the lawyer can speak on your behalf as well. All right, just remind you guys that the statute of limitation for the fraud case here in Thailand is only 3 months, right? Since you know that who is the scammer, and also you know that the crime was already taking place, all right? So, alright guys, so I hope you guys get some knowledge about the statute of limitation for the fraud case in Thailand, and I see you guys next time. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ